You know, the word museum actually is not appropriate for what happens here, because you think of museum as places where things are static and people go and they walk around and they look at that. But this is much more than that. There's an activity that goes on between the visitor and the museum. I've been volunteering for probably almost as long as Bill. And I started because I wanted to do something for the community and because I had some skills in woodworking that I thought might be appropriate.
I guess it was 2013, and I had retired from teaching, and I had built several games that I used at school. And I came here and I said, try them out for a week, and if you don't want them, I'll take them back. And then next thing I knew, I was fixing stairs and haven't left.
Children are hard on things because they don't know. So when we build exhibits, the first rule of exhibits is if they can, they will. If the kiddos can bend it, break it, mutilate it, they will, eventually.
They used to have a plastic cash register, and it would last a couple months and then it would break. So I thought we could build something out of wood. So I made some sketches, and from there made a cardboard model, and then Phil did a lot of the woodworking, most of the woodworking, and it's still sitting over there. It's been years.
I'd have to say my favorite exhibit is the simple machine wall in the back corner of the museum. Bill and I and 2 or 3 other volunteers worked on that project for over 2 years to build it. And we built parts here and parts there, parts in my garage. Bill did design work, I did building work, and we brainstormed all kinds of different pieces of it because it's very interactive.
Volunteering is great, and those of you who are retired and sitting around, get involved, get out there, you'll receive much more of a reward than even what you're providing the organization you're trying to help.